George, Lisa, Lexi. Hey guys, make pee, come on. Make... Okay, Lexi's making pee. Lisa, make pee. Lisa, make pee. Come on. Lisa, you gotta make pee. Lisa, make pee. George. Come on. Good girl, Lisa. Oh, she's submerging the snow to pee. About 9 inches out here, I think 9 or 10. I shoveled a little area for them. Lexi's peeing again. Good girl. Okay, you guys want to go inside? Let's go. This camera's getting wet in the snow. Okay, Lisa. Wait a minute, Lexi. What's Lexi doing now? Hey, Lexi Plex. Oh, I think she has to, she's got to poop, I think. We'll let her do that alone. Okay, good girl, Lexi. George, you blend in pretty good with this kiddo. Lisa. She has to poop too, I think. Lexi, let her. I wouldn't be doing this with my main camera. I think it'll survive it. This doesn't happen too often. Lexi, you're having fun, aren't you? Lisa, ready to come inside? God, these guys are loving this. Okay, we'll let her do her thing. Okay, Lisa, good girl. Let's go inside. Look at these two. Look at them. Okay, let's go inside. Come on, guys. Let's go. Well, it's a good bonding experience for these two. All right, come on, let's go. Hey, Lisa, Lexi, let's go inside. Let's go. Come on.